Welcome to Awesome Water, where we make your tap water awesome. Today I will be going through the process of cleaning your water cooler with our Cooler Lovers cleaning solution and sanitizer spray. I'm here today to show you a way to sanitize your water cooler in about 10 to 15 minutes. Primarily, it's going to be safe, quick, and efficient. The first thing we've got to do is switch off the machine, and we'll unplug it. Take the bottle off. In order to keep the floor clean, we're going to put a canvas down. Always use powder-free gloves when you're cleaning a water cooler. Take off the water guard. The top on some models has to come off also. Into the reservoir, take out the bottle to expose the whole reservoir. We're using Cooler Lovers, and this needs about 35 milliliters. Put the solution in, give the reservoir a thorough brush. Take water from both taps to ensure that the solution is getting through all the tubes. Spray the taps with the sanitizer spray. Take out the drip tray, give that a clean as well. We'll also spray and brush the baffle. There is a contact time of about 10 minutes, which will give us plenty of time now to clean the outside of the cooler. Use a sponge, which means there's no chemicals being used on the cooler. Brush the recess of the taps just to make sure that they're both clean on the inside. After our 10 minutes contact time, drain off the solution out of the reservoir. Take it from both taps. We've taken as much water as we can out of the taps. All we've got to do now is locate the bung plug and totally drain the reservoir. We'll assemble the cooler. We've put the bottle on now and we just need one single rinse. Pop your bottle back on. Rinse all of that water out, again using the taps and the bung plug. Only take the last drops of water out of the reservoir via the bung plug. Finally, just before we finish off, give the spike a blast of sanitizer spray. Now, we're just going to make sure there's no solution left in the water. Make sure it hasn't changed color. We're just about to finish off now. Clean up, take your mat away, and more importantly, cheers.
That's awesome.